What? You better hush your mouth with this dupe. Okay? Victoria's Secret, inspired by Victoria's. You see this? You see it. Inspired by Victoria's Secret love spell. Chill. You better come on down to Dollar Tree. Honey, I know I don't need... I'm going to just get 2 of these. But, honey, not only do they have that, they also have the Love Struck, the body wash. How about that? Okay. Love Struck, Cherry Blossom, Everlasting, Vanilla Sugar. Chill. Alright, family, so they have the hair mask, okay, for curly, thick hair, hydrates, okay, and then, oh, this one is the same thing. Shea butter. I always be having a hard time. I'll be saying papaya. It is papaya and coconut oil, okay. Oh, and this one, agave and hibiscus. Oh, child, you better come. Well, they don't have no more of those, but check your Dollar Tree. Oh, child, you know what? I need to just get on up out of here because they doing too much. And you know what? Dollar Tree ain't gonna do this to me, okay? But the black castor oil, 100% natural. Oh, child, let me get one of that. I'm getting out of here after this, okay? But what about the retinol under the eye pads? Ooh. Okay, do you guys use this Softy? Okay, this is definitely new. So they have a honey lavender shampoo, and then they also have the olive repairing shampoo. Let me see. Oh, and then they also have the Oregon. Okay, so it's, I guess, yeah, it's like 3 different ones. Wait, hold on, child. There's another one back here. Oh, okay. The shea butter. Okay, and these are parabens free. Nice. I know I had got the oil, the Softy oil, and it's good. It got some ingredients in there that makes your hair grow. So I've been using it, but I've been using other stuff as well. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. So today we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have inside. Okay, family, so they have these rings right here. These are really, really cute, these spider rings. They also have these party favors. Nice. Well, who remember these back in the day, the paddle boards? Honey, I beat you in some paddle boards. What about the party favorites? Some more over here. This is cute. Oh, child. So I think I'm going to make my children a bag, okay, with like the party favors and stuff like that. This is like really, really cute. Okay, over here they have these window covers decor. This is cute. Beware spooky, enter if you dare. Caution. Nice. Then they also have the car window cling. So this is definitely new. And then the window decorations over here. They have the skeleton bones, which comes in different colors, orange, white, and green. And then more window decorations. Okay, so they also have some bows up here, Halloween back clips, which comes in different colors as well, black, orange, metallic color, and then some purple, silver. These are cute. I like these with the little skeleton. Okay, with the oh, girl, you better stop. I'm not sure if I showed you guys these last time. I think these are new. Because the other ones I showed you, they were like wine glasses, but these are cute. Okay, so it comes in purple and also black. Very nice. And then these trays over here. Honey, I like that. Okay, and also the purple, very nice. Yeah, these were the ones that I showed you guys last time. This is so, so cute, especially for your Halloween party. Honey, you better come down to Dollar Tree and get you a few of these. So these are definitely new. Okay, these cups right here. And this is the 4-pack. And they come in purple, black. I like this. Bon appetit. And then also in orange. Nice. We have these buckets right here. I believe I showed you guys this in the last video. But these buckets are really, really cute. The candy buckets or whatever you want to use it for. I ain't trying to tell you what to use it for. But they also have them in orange as well. This pumpkin one, so cute. They also have these little bowls right here. Stay spooky, nice. And these is 4 per pack, and the same exact colors: purple, orange, and black. Okay, so this is definitely new. These dish drying mats. Okay, they have the drying mats. Then they also have these honey towels. What is these? Kitchen towels, honey. I can't get it out. Okay, the kitchen towels. Then they also have the oven mitts. This is a whole thing right here. Okay, the oven mitts, and then they also have the pot holders. They have these little bowls right here. These are cute. Ooh, child. I like the way they got the thankful in there. Okay, I know that's right. Honey, if you ain't thankful, let me tell you something. You may be going through some stuff right now, but there's people that wish they could take your spot right now. Okay? All right. So this is pretty much what they have over here. Definitely new. Okay. So right here, this sign is definitely new. Candy shop, treat or treaters welcome, witches wanted. Very cute. And then I also have this right here, glass teardrop lights. This is nice. Okay, these are $5 shell. All right. And then they also have this right here, 5 feet spiderweb lights, which are $5 as well. This is very cute. Okay, so over here they pretty much have the candy. Okay, the packs of candy. Ooh. Honey, you ain't in here for this. You ain't in here for that. Okay, so this candy, the packs are $1.25. Okay, Batman candy sticks. Okay, all right, and then fruit snacks, and then they have some more over here. Some ring pops. Dang, I'm shocked. Ring pops. How many coming? I thought it said 40. I was about to say, I know you lying. 40 ring pots for $1.25. No, it's not 40. 40 calories per serving, child. All right. This is pretty much the candy. Okay, so this is definitely new. This yarn right here. I ain't no Dollar Tree sell yarn. Premier, just £1 for crafters, makers, knitters, and crocheters. Okay, they come in green and also in white, and these are $5. These stickers are really, really cute. As soon as I came down this L, it was just like pow. Okay, these stickers are really, really cute. And then they also have these. Oh, okay, honey, summer is damn near gone. Okay, hello summer, honey. Hello. Honey, I was about to say winter. Well, winter is December. Never mind me. Okay, they also have these stickers over here. All right, those are cute. I like these. Anything gold or green, honey, you could just send to me. Okay? Anything that's gold or green. Oh, they also have glass stickers also. You know what? Dollar Tree is okay with me. You hear what I'm saying? Dollar Tree ain't playing. These little storage containers, they are so good. Okay, So 3 to a pack. And I think for this size, they only have gray. And then they have some more over here. These are white, okay, and is 3 in a pack, but these are just longer, and the other ones are just the square. And then they also have these as well. I never really understood it with the instant dry shampoo. I don't understand this. Maybe it's not for me to understand, but I never really got it, okay? Like dry shampoo. Let me know in the comments if you guys using dry shampoo and how is it for your hair? How your hair do after you use it, okay? Oh, but look at this. Agave and hibiscus hair mask, anti-breakage and strength. Chemically damaged hair. Oh, child. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so this is definitely new. Dry brush. Okay, these are $1.25. And I just went to a different Dollar Tree today, and I brought these exfoliating stretch cloths from the Dollar Tree that I was at earlier. But, honey, they got this here at the Dollar Tree by my house. Ow. Okay, so they have a pink. Okay. Oh, cow. Okay. Turquoise and green. How about that? This is by far my favorite aisle in Dollar Tree. This and Soon As You Walk In. Those 2 aisles are my favorite. But, honey, how about this? Okay, first of all, we're going to get into the mini nails. How cute are these? Very, very cute. Especially for your, your little daughter, okay? These are really cute, okay? I love these, all right? And they come in they have different styles. So they have this one. Wait, hold on, child. Nope. Same thing. Child, get into this. Honey, why they... Oh, I don't know if they was trying to take this. Get into this. You better hush your mouth, honey. Okay? And not only do they have one color, honey, they have about 8. About 10. Okay? This is really, really... You better get out of here. You mean to tell me I was going to Sally? Well, I know this is a new item, okay? But I was going to Sally, okay? And giving Sally... I'm not complaining. Okay? Because you gotta circulate your money. This is cute. I told you guys about this nail polish last time. I absolutely love this nail polish. This is absolutely like my favorite because it gives that gel-like shine. It is so beautiful. So they have it in that green color, and that's new because they didn't have it last time. And then there's more neutral color. Okay, this is really, really cute. And then they also have the pink. I think I showed you guys the pink. In fact, I think I have the pink at home. It's a few of these that I have because I absolutely love the way they look. This makeup brush is so cute and is also new. Very nice. These are cute. Not only the brushes, but honey, get into this. The nail files, okay? They come in different designs. Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, no, they do come in different designs. Okay, so they have... Ooh, I like that purple. They got a green back here. Oh, no. But they... Ooh, child, this is not Dollar Tree. And I told you before, you were right with me. This is really, really cute. Okay, so these brushes, I want to say they brought new ones in, okay, but honey, they stocked up. They stocked up to the ceiling, okay? They stocked up to the ceiling with these brushes. You better come and get your makeup brushes from here. Child, they got the wooden foot file. Ooh, I like this. Really, really good. Okay, Dollar Tree, I see you. Beauty Intuition High Shine Nail Polish. This is nice. Oh, this is the only color, but this is absolutely cute. They also have the eyeshadows at the top. Purple, pink, this gold looking one in the bag. Very, very cute. Honey, I just want to get on up out of here because I already got this Victoria's Secret inspired body. Thank you. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.